Print on demand. How to build an online business without inventory. Hello, and welcome back to 100 Ways to Make Money Online, the audiobook series where we explore practical, legitimate, and beginner-friendly ways to earn money using the internet. Today's topic is one of the most exciting online business models for creative entrepreneurs. Print on demand, often called POD. Imagine owning an online store that sells t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, notebooks, tote bags, posters, and many other custom products. But here's the surprising part. You never buy inventory, you never package products, and you never ship orders. Instead, every product is printed only after a customer places an order. That's the magic of print on demand. It allows almost anyone to start an online business with very little upfront investment. So, what exactly is print on demand? Print on demand is a business model where you create designs for products such as clothing, accessories, home decor, and gifts. When someone purchases one of your products, a print on demand company prints your design, packages the item, and ships it directly to the customer. You focus on creativity and marketing, while the fulfillment company handles production and delivery. Now you may be wondering, how do you make money? Let's look at a simple example. Suppose you design a motivational quote and place it on a t-shirt. Your print-on-demand provider charges $15 to produce and ship the shirt. You sell it in your online store for $25. The remaining amount after fees becomes your profit. As your designs become more popular, those profits can grow without you needing to store inventory or manage shipping. Now, what kinds of products can you sell? The possibilities are almost endless. You can create t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, coffee mugs, water bottles, phone cases, canvas prints, wall art, stickers, tote bags, caps, notebooks, journals, mouse pads, blankets, pillows, calendars, and even pet accessories. The key is creating designs that appeal to a specific audience. So, how do you get started? Step 1 is choosing a niche. Instead of designing products for everyone, focus on a particular group of people. For example, dog lovers, cat owners, teachers, nurses, fitness enthusiasts, gamers, coffee lovers, gardeners, travel lovers, or book readers. The more specific your audience, the easier it becomes to create products they genuinely love. Step 2 is creating unique designs. You don't have to be a professional artist. Many successful sellers create simple typography designs, inspirational quotes, funny sayings, minimalist graphics, or AI-assisted artwork. Just make sure your designs are original and don't infringe on someone else's copyright or trademarks. Step 3 is selecting a print-on-demand platform. Several companies allow you to upload your designs and connect them to your online store. When an order arrives, everything else happens automatically. Step 4 is opening an online store. Many creators sell through established marketplaces, while others build their own branded websites. Both approaches can work. The important thing is making your products easy to discover. Step 5 is marketing. Even the best designs won't sell if nobody sees them. Successful print-on-demand businesses use YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, blogs, email newsletters, and search engine optimization to attract customers. Consistency is more important than chasing viral success. Now let's discuss common mistakes. Don't copy popular designs. Always create original artwork. Avoid using copyrighted characters, movie logos, sports teams, or brand names without permission. Research your niche before creating products. Quality always matters more than quantity, and don't upload hundreds of random designs hoping something will sell. Instead, focus on solving a specific customer's interest or passion. Now, how much can you earn? Some sellers make occasional sales as a side hustle, while others build full-time businesses with thousands of products across multiple niches. Your income depends on your designs, marketing, niche selection, pricing, and consistency. Every design you publish becomes another opportunity to make future sales. The more high-quality products you create, the larger your digital catalog becomes. If you're ready to begin, here are some useful resources. Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand fulfillment companies. Printify connects sellers with multiple print providers around the world. Redbubble and TeePublic allow artists to upload designs to established marketplaces. Spring lets creators sell branded merchandise directly to their audience. Etsy is a popular marketplace for custom and personalized products. Shopify makes it easy to build your own online store. Canva is excellent for creating simple graphics and typography designs. If you need help brainstorming ideas, AI design tools can assist with concepts, but always ensure your final designs are original and respect copyright laws. Before we finish, here's one important lesson. You don't need a warehouse to build an online product business. You don't need thousands of dollars to buy inventory. You don't even need to ship a single package yourself. What you do need is creativity, consistency, a willingness to learn, and the determination to keep improving your products. Every successful print-on-demand business started with one design, one idea, and one customer. Your first product may not become a bestseller, but every design teaches you something new. Every sale builds confidence, and every improvement brings you closer to long-term success. Thank you for listening to episode 8 of 100 Ways to Make Money Online. In the next episode, we'll explore another exciting online income opportunity that anyone can start with the right strategy and commitment. Until then, keep creating, keep learning, and keep building digital assets that can work for you around the clock. Because sometimes, one simple design can become the beginning of an extraordinary online business.